Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to the Street Runners and Based community meet out in Irvine. It's at 9 p.m. It's currently 7. I know I should be heading over there because it's about a 2-hour drive. I'm gonna go pick up my friend, then go drop off some things from my car to make it lighter. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the back seats out. Should be really easy and simple, hopefully, and quick. Just getting my camera shit ready, like my GoPro, getting it ready for the rolls in Mexico. I'll see you guys when I pick up my friend. He's gonna be my camera guy for today, so I don't have to really be, recording everything. So luckily, I'll see you guys in a bit though. You guys can't see, but I took out the back seat already. I just couldn't take out the backpack. I took the back. I already have like just my sweater and then just some rags. I just couldn't take that off because I have to unscrew it, but we don't really have time for that. It is 7:37 right now, so put everything away. Guys, so we are on our way to Irvine right now. We just put some gas. I didn't fully fill it up because I have a race. I have octane booster, not racing gas. I have an octane booster that I'm gonna be putting on over there just to see the difference. I mean, I feel like I made a difference last time. It's about almost a 2-hour drive to get there. We should be getting there like at 9:30, but the driver's meet or like the Mexico runs aren't until like 10, so we should be good. We're gonna put the little sauce inside real quick. Actually, I have to go pay inside the store for gas. For gas, yeah. I'm not doing it out here. Look. We pulled up to a spot already. It starts at 9:30. I think that's what it said. We got here 9:26, so it should barely be starting. I have to go pee really bad. The restrooms are fucking closed. Oh no, I'll go see if I can find a spot or some shit. But real quick, I'm just gonna put gas in, and then I don't know, I need to go restroom, so hopefully I can find one or some shit. I don't know if this actually works, but we're gonna test it out. I know you're supposed to throw it in first and then you fill it up. Hopefully, I'm hoping, bro. It's an octane boost. You're supposed to boost it up to 91. I don't know if boost it up to 93 or something. It's gonna boost up the engine and blow it up. I wanna blow it up. So you can smell this shit. It smells nice though, low key. Oh yeah. It smells like a fucking the nitrous hot Cheetos, Takis, I mean. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, the blue ones? Yeah. No, the nitrous ones are the green ones, no? No, they're like a purplish kind of. I think 30 should be fine for now. No, 25. Yeah, I mean, you do it. Let me get 5 gallons, okay. Nah, hey, the light makes the COBRA pop right now. Yeah, it looks nice on camera. No way. I guess, well, mission to pull up to the meet was successful. But mission to go to the restroom is next. We went to a restroom. We made it back here. There was a Lamborghini that we saw pulled in. I want to look at it real quick before we park up next to the homies. I know, you were looking clean. Is this a deal one? There's a Lamborghini right there. Really cocky ass cars right now. I know, the Lamborghini's over there. Yeah, it's parked in the middle. It's all fucking taking up the attention and shit. Like, for what, bro? It's a Lamborghini, you know? At the end of the day. At the end of the day, it's a Lamborghini. It's not an R34 Cobra, though. At the end of the day. I'll tell you that right now. Is that a Ferrari? There's look for that GTR 34, I think it was. I think there was a 34 that pulled up. Let's see if we could go find it. I think all the like main cars, like the fucking special cars, are like all in the middle and shit. Hello, you're filming me, filming vlog, you, vlog. Filming me, filming you. Well, what do they call it? Vlogception or something like that? A kiss? Like vlog kiss? Nah, bro, there's a bunch of expensive ass cars out here, bro. Yours is the nicest one. Cameraman glazing. This was fucking lit. It's probably worth half my like car and shit. Real carbon fiber and everything. Fuck, dude. We've been recording, I think about 15-20 minutes already, and this man behind the camera was not fucking recording at all, bro. That's fucking crazy. We're trying, bro. I was talking about the Lambo, about my experience and shit. But watch out. We got Batman pulling up behind you. Black G-Wagon? God damn. We're talking about this over here. I was talking about when you get bored on GTA and you need to like customize the fuck out of your car and you like stick bombs. That's what it looks like. We'll have to go back to the other cars because this motherfucker did not, I guess, was not recording when we were trying to show it. It was crazy. I ain't never seen two Z01s in the same place. And then right next to each other. I've never seen a Z01 in person, and then. For real? Yeah, and now I'm seeing two. Bro, it's a LT1. That's LT1. Which one? I thought it was a Z01. This one. Oh, I thought this was a Z01 too. Not bamboozled, bro. When you have both flash on because you can't see shit. No, look at this. Watch. You're about to. Yeah, I was about to. My whole life savings gone. Your whole life savings was about to go out and shit. I love the color on this though. I don't want to get close to it. I don't want to get too close. I feel low key. Like even a piece of saliva just comes out and hits this shit. There goes my whole life savings. Then you'll sell the COBRA. I have to sell my whole. Your body. Bro, my whole body, bro. I gotta be on the corner. I'll probably buy that. We have Travis Scott pulling up too? I did not know that, bro. We have Batman here, little baby's right over there. Now we have Travis Scott pulling up in that. Next car, next build. Next build, oilo, wait. Yeah, bro, let me take out a loan real quick. Next, no, I'm going for this one.
This 01?
CR1. After done with the COBRA?
Oh, it's CO6.
Is it? I got played again, bro. You know, this is the second time I got played. I'm about to fucking burn every car here. I got played. I thought that was a Z01. It's an LT1 right over there.
Bro,
it's so nice, so I'm not gonna lie. It's so nice. You see, everyone's leaving, so while everyone's leaving, we'll take our chance. Take a look at these nice cars over here now.
Ooh. God damn.
Oh, Trevor and shit? Is it? Trevor Garage? Mickey Thompson's? There's no T, so there's an H. Mickey Thompson. We got 2 McLarens. 3.
This one is crazy right here.
No, this is crazy right here. This is that. You have the Viper right across.
I don't even see the Viper.
I'm gonna record this shit, bro. I'm recording already, but you know, for my Insta. Follow the Insta. Put it on place here.
Call him out.
Oilo.
Hey, but check it out though. This is a real fast guy right here.
Yeah, there's a real fast car right here. This Honda. You think it's a worker, low key? It's a worker and we're all
He can't even get out.
If I was a worker, I wouldn't be too mad, to be honest.
Look at this return.
Watch.
When they're scared, I'm gonna step on one of these.
I'm scared, bro. These are way too expensive to be around. That's why I'm actually scared. I don't want to like accidentally go ooh, fucking fall into one and then fucking have to pay both of my livers and shit just for the fender and everything. You think it's comfortable?
Probably. I mean, not for me. I'm fat. Look at that turbo right there.
Damn. That shit beautiful. That shit beautiful than a motherfucker.
That shit beautiful, motherfucker. You gonna call him out?
No.
Which one do you think has a chance against you?
I don't know, bro.
Or is it the other way around?
Oh, the Porsche GT.
It's a 3RS.
Alright. Oh wait. You guys don't know this is like one of my dream cars right here. Are you not gonna have 10 low key, bro? Nah, I wouldn't have 10 either, bro. I want to let people know who's driving this shit.
Hey, bro's going crazy behind you.
Going crazy, huh?
Get in there and rev it.
Huh?
Get in there and rev it.
You think he'll get mad at me?
Yeah, we'll find out.
Hey, bro, who's stopping me, really?
Besides the owner.
You hopping at me? Who's stopping me? It's a bad idea, you know?
Yeah. Hey, I seen this in GTA where you usually.
I think they should ride it though, you know?
You usually just take it and run everyone over and
then I'll be good, bro. I just get caught and called.
Lester. Bro saying he would sell his COBRA for one of these.
I would, bro. You wouldn't sell your car for a GT3 RS, especially.
Yes.
Bro, I would sell my COBRA in a heartbeat. And look at the interior's like alright, like the it could be a digital dash and all that, but I don't care. The car's still beautiful.
And I think this is an older model. It only has
so
56,000 miles.
I would trade my shit though in a heartbeat though for the GT.
You'd probably have to trade your heart.
I probably would have to trade my heart low key, huh? My fucking liver.
Yeah, I touched it.
Oh my god, bro. Now I'm gonna have to cut off my leg and shit just to go and pay. I actually want to get one of these, a Supra. I was looking into getting them before I got the COBRA, but this is way too expensive out of my pay range.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, the COBRA wasn't out of my pay range.
Which is good. You got a deal out of it.
I got a deal, 26K for it. Fast as fuck.
Paid it in cash.
Paid in. Yeah, let's just go with that paid in cash. But yeah, I was looking to get one of these. I ain't gonna lie, a B58, the newer one. But I was looking to get a manual just because I didn't really have a manual. Like I said, that COBRA over there is the first manual car I've had.
Is that the next CAMARO?
No, that's way out of my budget range. Everything's gonna shoot flames or something. Never mind, he ain't doing none of that.
Bro, I just got bamboozled, bro.
I got bamboozled, bro.
I was waiting for a...
This is the third time in the night, bro. I'm gonna go follow him, actually. I'm gonna go be like, hey, bro, I'm not leaving you.
Yeah, you might have to run him for disrespecting you.
How many cars am I have to run? The LT1 over there for this. Bro, it's crazy. That's what it's so beautiful.
It's not no 4.5 COBRA though.
4.5, so not. That's crazy. Disrespectful.
What is it, a 4.6? 4.6?
It's a 4.6.
It's not a 4.6 turbo.
You think he crashes into the gas station all like in GTA and shit, you know?
Probably will.
His car's just gonna flip and
Let's go try it. As soon as we stop recording.
We stopped recording and they started doing shit. I think we asked the Rolls Royce to do a burnout of doing. Like fly to a wait, how did it go? Like a fly to a flame.
Well.
Well, like a fly to a flame. Go burn out.
Those are some stinky clouds.
Smell like ass. I'm just trying to see this fucking GT3 RS do something. He ain't doing shit. They're about to fucking crash into the.
We're gonna stop the video.
You're gonna see that shit explode. Boom.
We're gonna stop the video. Something else happens while we're not recording. You're not. The video's over right here.
I'm just gonna end it short, to be honest. That was nice though, I ain't gonna lie, that was pretty nice. My ears lucky hurt now.
Bro almost blew his engine.
Go Hurry, the plug out, he's going crazy. He got a little too happy on that one.
I think he got bricked up.
Eh?
I think he got bricked up.
Me too. I mean, what? Anyway, you didn't get anything from that?
I got the black one,
That's
but
it?
the white one, there's no.
No, I got footage. It'll be like a little vertical, I guess.
Too many freaking heads right there.
Oh, I know, bro.
Dude,
Hey, the gunshot, that shit sounded like gunshots.
I fought that
I felt like
shit
in Iraq, bro. I felt like I was back in Iraq, back in my Vietnam days and shit, bro. They're in the trees.
You see his scars? His scar in his stomach is.
I got right here. I got stabbed over there by Vietnamese.
This color's insane.
That's what it is. The 340.
That's an M340, yes.
Yeah, that's what
I thought you were talking about this one.
Look,
Look,
by
it's,
performance, Gordo, if you're watching this video, this could be fucking you. This literally could be you, Gordo. M340i by PQ Performance, bro. But you keep playing, look. Bro, look, M340i, bro. That could be you, but you keep fucking playing.
you think he'll be watching this?
Probably. He says he watches my video, so if you are at this point of the video, let me know in person or some shit, like you always do with some.
Or drop a comment.
Drop a comment.
Put W.
No.
Put
And I don't know if we're halfway through the video or not, but leave a like,
subscribe,
and share type shit. They need a M5 on the next over there, but they don't have.
light it up, light it up.
Got the M2 comp.
M2.
And then we got over here M3 comp.
And then-
This is a comp.
Of course.
And then we got an M4. Yeah, that's fucking crazy.
And I got a C6 comp.
Oh. Alright, Jared's meeting. I don't know what this means, but we racing. I guess we gotta go do this. Gotta get my ass fucking.
Like everybody. Hopefully not everybody.
As soon as you hear any car turn on, everything.
I'm going opposite ways. Please take your time. I'm going out. When you exit here, don't do nothing stupid. We have enough time to do whatever you guys want to do on the freeways. Everybody be safe. We're going to take one route only. And that's the 5 freeways. So if we have 2 addresses, we're only on one way.
Got the address?
I got no address.
The GT.
That's the PRM?
Yeah. Jeez.
I like. The first stop, I'm guessing, where gas station's at. It looks like there's another rehab. We made it here to the Arco. Now, bro, this is about to get filled up real quick, bro. Look at all these cars right over here. All right, so battery, I had to go change it. Luckily, I had a fucking battery in the car. I feel bad, bro. I'm walking in front of everybody and shit. The Z01, the one I thought was a Z01.
I got pranked, I got fooled.
I got bamboozled and shit. Bro, this Viper is crazy as fuck. See if I could even get a view or something, bro.
Make a right for here and go straight to the Zorro. Got it? Alright. We're leaving in 5 minutes. When you hear the honk, let's get out of here. There's cops, so be careful. Do not rev. There's cops. If I catch you, you lose.
I have no idea what the fuck he just said on the second spot. I hear what he said on the second spot. I heard what he said on the first spot. Store high school, so I'm just hoping to get there and follow like a group afterwards because I didn't hear what the fuck he said the second part. Parked up next to the Rolls and the Lambo.
Which one's yours? They look the same.
I know which one's mine though. Let me see. I think this one's. Oh, why are you driving? Are you driving?
Who do you get?
They get 2, bro. I think they got the Lambo.
Oh, they got the Porsche.
bro. They got bro. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I think we made it to last fall. I think we kind of made it late because we missed the exit. We ran it against the inmate that you guys saw right now. We missed the exit, so I don't know if we got here late or too early. I'm not too sure, but there's already cops right over there, and then there's some hanging out here on the left side. But we're really hungry. I'm really hungry, so I think I'm gonna get something to eat or something. It was nice. Had a good couple runs. Lost back to back. It's crazy. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. It's
like 15 in a row.
And my car's stock. Stock car keeping up with the 2020 cars. Well, it was good runs. We had a couple good ones. I'm fucking hungry. Hopefully we could grab on some in and out real quick. And yeah, I'll show you guys my order, my little go-to. There's those sauce.
What's your order?
I get a number 2, nice regular cheeseburger. I get a chopped chilies with chopped chilies animal style. Bro. That's the go-to. Bro. You don't put chopped chilies on your shit. It's that. I'm telling you, bro. Look at this shit. If this shit ever focuses, gas, bro. I don't know why people think I'm fucking weird when I put 2 lemons inside. People think I'm weird for doing that. I think it has more flavor. Right, I'm about to eat this, demolish this, and then I think I'm gonna go to a gas station, get like a Red Bull or something. Alright guys, that's gonna end the night off for tonight. Wow, I said that twice. We got nothing else to go. We're just gonna head home. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna do an outro because I never do an outro to these videos, so I'm gonna do one right here since I have a camera, man. It was a fun night. Hope you guys did enjoy the runs that we did have. I just know I'm gonna upgrade this shit, bro. I can't wait till I go like E headers and some other shit. It was a fun night. Thank you Omar for holding the camera. I'll leave his Instagram.
Anytime. We're here. Right there.
Let's see if I can put it. Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Hey guys, peace.